motion. So before going into the moment of inertia, let us discuss about the translatory motion and rotational motion. Because once this concept is clear, then this will be very simple for you. What is moment of inertia? Okay, one by one we'll discuss. Yes. So in translatory motion, which is responsible, which one is required to make translatory motion? Name something. So which is responsible for translatory motion? It may be a torque, it may be the force. Which one?
Force.
Force. Yes. So whenever force is acting, the body gets translatory motion. Okay. Similarly, whenever torque is acting, the body gets rotational motion. You read about torque clearly, no? All are knowing torque? Yes.
Sir.
Okay. Now what will happen? Suppose you have two bodies. Suppose this is body A, body B. Here the mass M1, M2. So you know that M2 much greater than M1. Okay, all are able to see it, I think. Okay. Yes, just yeah. So you tell me which case you have to apply more force to change the state of the body to make the translatory motion. B.
B.
Why?
Because the mass is more, than we have to apply more force.
Yes. When the more mass is there. Okay. You heard about, I'm not talking about moment of inertia. You heard about inertia, simple inertia. You relate to
Yes, sir.
inertia with the mass.
Greater is the mass, greater is the inertia.
Yes. Greater the mass, greater the inertia. So mass is the measure of inertia. You got it? Yes. It is nothing but what? Because the mass, no, it opposes the change. So if it is less mass, less opposition. More mass, more opposition. The point is clear to you? Which case this? Translatory motion. Okay, simple. When you come to rotational motion, you cannot take only the mass. Some other factors also play the role. That only we are going to discuss about moment of inertia. Keep that point. How we use mass in translatory motion, the same concept we are going to apply moment of inertia in rotational motion. Only this much you understand to get the feel, that's all. How the mass opposes the change in linear motion, the same effect is given by moment of inertia in rotational motion. Okay, let us see that one by one. Okay, now just you see, you have the body, suppose. Okay, now this is the axis of rotation. Axis of rotation. Okay, with respect to that, I'm going to rotate. Okay, the body may be continuous body. Okay, for our understanding, just we take different masses here, 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 like that. Suppose this is M1, M2, M3. This is the axis of rotation. The distance R1, R2, R3. Okay, like that you have. Now, here what is the moment of inertia? What I will do? M1 R1 square Mathematically, just you take as it is. Okay, m2 r2 square plus m3 r3 square equal to I, moment of inertia. What is m? Mass of the individual particle. What is r? Distance from the axis of rotation. Okay, so now in general, if you want to write I equal to summation of m r square. This is the basic formula. What is I? Moment of inertia. Now the moment of inertia depends on what? Mass is there, distance also there. By seeing this formula, you can tell these two. But what exactly meaning, one by one I am going to explain. Okay, just to follow this formula. Okay, you got some formula mr square. So what is moment of inertia? M into r square. Otherwise, how to do? Sum of product of mass of the each particle of the body and the square of the distance, square of the distance from the axis of rotation. Okay, this is the basic. With that, you can do some measurement. So, mass, what is the unit? Kg, distance square. So, this. What will be the dimensional formula? M. Yes. L square. Okay? These are the things you get something. Whether it is a scalar or vector means, but I am telling it is a neither scalar nor vector. But what is the problem we are facing up to 12th standard level? We don't have any other option. You have to go with either scalar or yes. But up to 12th standard level, we don't have any other option. That's why I'm talking now. Scalar and vector only. So we go with the scale. Wherever we don't have any other option other than vector, naturally we'll go with the scalar. Otherwise, exactly in higher class, you will understand it is nothing but a tensor. Okay. So now, so what to do now means, yes, nothing wrong. You can take like scalar only, scalar quantity. So what is moment of inertia? Based on this formula, you can define. This is one definition. So this I you are defining. How to define? All of you write. It is defined as sum of product of mass of their particles and the square of their distance from the axis of rotation. I think from the formula easy to write it. This is one definition. But what is the physical meaning that you have to understand? Okay, all of you noted? Yes. I'm giving some example. You see that. Suppose, okay, here I am using m. Same mass I am taking, just for your understanding. Okay. Now you want to find out this, you can take it L side A. Okay. Sorry. Now you want to find out moment of inertia. Suppose I am taking this is A, B, C, D, different point. Okay, so you have 4 bodies, each mass m. Okay, and it is placed, okay, like that. So what is the shape? Square. Okay, side A. Now you want to find out moment of inertia. How we can do moment of inertia? Now I want moment of inertia along AB. I want moment of inertia along AB. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? Yes, I will try with something for you. Yes, you assume this is a square, even if it is not square, no problem. Okay. Now this is the case. Suppose A, B, C, D. Now what I am going to do, suppose if I ask moment of inertia AB means, this AB will be the axis of rotation. So with respect to this axis of rotation, now I will rotate. In this case, what will be the moment of inertia? The question is that only. So now this will be the axis of rotation. Listen carefully. This is the axis of rotation. Whatever given, that will be the axis of rotation. Okay. Now, what is the basic formula? M summation of M R square. Okay. I explain you. Still you have problem. Then I will go in detail. Now, how many masses accordingly you will get moment of inertia? Okay. Step by step. First, you take mass. First, A. What is the mass? M. What is the R value for A? 0, because the axis itself for A only. So 0 square. Next B, M 0 square plus C, M A square plus here M A square. So what you have? 2M A square. You see that? So what is the answer you are getting? 2M A square. Is it clear now? Okay. Next step. Next step. AC. IAC. Which one? Diagonal. Which two masses will not contribute any moment of inertia? Now,
A and C.
A and C. Now you can remove directly. Don't bother. Yes. So you take other two only. So that's why I'm not bothering about A and C. Now I have to take other masses. Other means only two are there. One is B, another one is D. Okay. B. So what is the mass? M. What is the distance? Root to A. Root to A, correct? This distance, no? Root to A divided by 2. So A by root 2, no? Check it, ma. Because this diagonal, how much? Diagonal root to A. Half of that. So A root 2. What you will do here? A by root 2 whole square. Here also same. So that's why I am writing here 2. So here 2 cancel. So what will come answer? Check it. Sometimes I may be committing mistakes. Okay. It is better to calculate. Because I want to give some feel about moment of inertia. Please check it. Is it correct? This one, MA square. Is it correct? Others also respond, please. Tanmay is responding. Others, Subhasini and others.
Yes, sir.
Saloni, what is the answer? 11207. I want response from others. Whether you are typing message, I don't know. Divanshi Misra, yes, same answer. Yes, ma, yes. This you are talking? Acha. You want first, what is the diagonal you find out? What is the diagonal? Square root of A square plus A square, correct? That is diagonal. But what do you want? Half of that. Okay? Okay. So divided by 2. Okay? So the answer is MA square. Nobody having doubt now? Yes. Check it now. Okay. You see that 2 results. I have not changed the body. Okay, body, this is a system, no? The system consists of 4 bodies. So the, okay, so I not changed the system. So the moment of inertia here 2ma square, here ma square. And you can take another also. You can take here, like that, any number you can take. So the moment of inertia depends on what are the factors? What are the factors? Yes. So one is mass of the body. Suppose this is one body. Okay, this is one body, mass of the body. Second one, how the mass is distributed. Here what will happen? Equal mass is distributed. Equal mass is distributed. Okay, so that's why here. Second one, distribution of mass. Now why I am using C. Third one, same body only. Here 2ma squared you got, but here ma squared. Different answer. So it depends on axis of rotation. Which axis you are going to calculate moment of inertia. So the moment of inertia depends on, you write the points. Mass of the body, distribution of mass about the axis of rotation. Third one, axis of rotation. Okay, so all the things you are right. That's all. Yes. Now you may be asking doubt, sir, distribution of mass means what? Sometimes you are not understanding here. Okay, I'm giving. I think this you can copy. Yes. So distribution of mass means, suppose this is the body. Here you see. This is one body here. Okay, suppose identical you take it. Okay, each one m. Okay. So now you assume that the distance almost they are very close. Okay, don't take it. So now if I take like that, suppose this distance is r1, this distance of, for example, you take r2. So automatically we have maximum mass concentrated here. Okay, so how I take the axis accordingly. See here m r1 square, here 3m into r2 square. Suppose this mass is coming here. For example, I am telling here 1, here 2, here 1, here 2. Suppose you want to find out. Now what will happen? It will be equally, but moment of inertia will be different only. So here. So how the mass is distributed accordingly. For example, if it is a continuous body, suppose. Now you see the mass. This is continuous body. I want to find out moment of inertia about here. Okay. So what I will do? I will rotate. So naturally what will happen? More mass here. More mass. So the masses play the role, and also the distribution of mass with respect to axis. Suppose this axis is whether here or any other point. You are able to understand. See, initially we have taken discrete mass. Discrete means the mass is separated, because always that is simple case. If it is continuous, how to do that separately we discuss. Okay. So the moment of inertia depends on mass of the body, distribution of mass about the axis of rotation, and axis of rotation, which axis you are taking. Now, what is moment of inertia? Still, I am not understanding the meaning. What is moment of inertia? Physical meaning. Yes, now I am coming to that point. All are familiar with the rotational motion. The chapter itself, that only. For rotational motion, which is responsible? Torque. Torque is responsible. Okay, what is the basic formula for torque? R cross F. Okay, you know that. Otherwise, what you will do? RF sine theta, because the theta also plays the role. Okay, these are the concepts already you are knowing. Okay. Now, what is happening? In case of translatory motion, suppose you have less mass less force you will do, so that you can change the state. That is translative motion. But in rotational motion, only mass you cannot do any calculation. The other factors you have to take. So what do you say? Moment of inertia. When the moment of inertia more opposition in rotational motion. More opposition in rotational motion. Then whether it is advantage or not, you tell me. It is advantage or disadvantage. Suppose you want to make the rotational motion. Yes? Can I get the name? Edwin. Acha. Oh, what about otherwise? Huh? My name is not coming here. Edwin is responding here. Okay. ये section में कौन है? Okay. Yes. Yes, Bhumika. Can I get a response from you? Piyush.
Yes, sir.
Piyush, tell me what will be the answer? Because when the more moment of inertia, whether advantage or disadvantage?
So maybe disadvantage.
Maybe. Probability. Mathematics. Yes, Bhumika, Meena, Netra. They are attending class or just camera on? Okay, not camera on. They are online only. But disadvantage. Who is responding again? JJC is responding. Yes. Bhumika, you are attending the class? Bhumika, Meena? Okay. Netra?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, yes. What is the answer from JJC? They are from same section, no? Yeah, no? Okay. JJC, can I get response? Disadvantage. Subhasini?
Disadvantage, sir.
Disadvantage. Okay. Now you just tell me. Okay, all of you traveling by vehicle. Okay, we talk about the four-wheeler, maybe the bus or car. Okay, so when we find difficult, once you start, yes, start the vehicle. When you are going to start, that time it takes time. After that, what will happen? The vehicle will move smoothly. You are able to understand what I'm saying. Initially, what will happen? All of you seen the wheel of the vehicle. Okay, wheel of the vehicle. If you see, maximum mass is concentrated here. Where? Here. Maximum mass is here. Here, less mass. So, I equal to m r square. M no change, mass will be constant. So, I proportional to r square. Listen carefully now. So, m is constant almost. R maximum mass, whatever required in the wheel, no wheel, it is the metal. You have seen that, the rim. So, that will be away from the axis. This is the axis. So, maximum mass away from the axis. So, automatically R is more. The moment of inertia will be more. Okay, R more, naturally I will be more. I more, opposition more. Opposition to rotational motion. Increases, something is not visible. Rotational motion increases. Opposition increases. Then why to keep this? Why to keep this? Just think. Suppose when you start the vehicle, you assume that the moment of inertia is less. The moment of inertia is less. Then what will happen? no opposition to rotational motion. So as soon as you start the vehicle, what will happen? It starts moving. Once it starts moving, what you feel in the vehicle? You tell me now. Yes? No, ma. What is my question? Actually, you will not get the smooth motion because no opposition. No opposition means the vehicle will start moving suddenly. Is it clear or not? When the vehicle starts suddenly, what you will feel in the vehicle total? The jerk movement you will get, no, some shake.
The upper part of our body moves backward.
That's okay. Totally what happened, the system, there will be little jerk will be there because it is not, whenever the changes takes place gradually, no, that is smooth movement. Now what, no opposition, all of a sudden you start moving, so you will get the jerk. What will happen, you know, because it will damage the system. Because whenever you start anything, you have to start gradually. You put in the other way, now you apply the brake, okay, then it should come to rest. All of a sudden it comes to rest. It is like the emergency brake only, we can say that. So emergency only for emergency purpose, not regular purpose, no. So that's why what will happen, because of more moment of inertia, more opposition, so the vehicle starts rotating gradually. Once it starts rotating, what will happen? Now it will move smoothly. That's all. To make smooth movement, which is required, moment of inertia required. That's why the wheels, the masses are distributed away from the axis. That's why the moment of inertia, it is an advantage only. How the mass play the role in translatory motion, the same role is played by moment of inertia in rotational motion. That's why this is called rotational inertia. Rotational inertia. So the moment of inertia is known as rotational inertia. The mass is nothing but inertia, because translatory motion, what do you say? Inertia. Okay, inability to accept the change. For that, what? Mass we talk. But in rotational motion, we talk about moment of inertia. So the moment of inertia is also known as rotational inertia. So to make any smooth movement, yes, it is very much required. Which one? Moment of inertia. Try to understand the concept. Okay, so it is the advantage only, no doubt at all. Why it is advantage? Because to make the smooth movement. Okay, so many cases we use, that's why all the wheels, any rotating wheel, we use maximum mass away from the axis. So what we understand today now, what is moment of inertia, how to calculate moment of inertia of any system or any body for discrete mass. Then moment of inertia depends on what are the factors. Then what is the significance of moment of inertia? Why it is known as rotational inertia? Okay, these are the things we discussed. By the time if you have any difficulty, because it's not so easy, this chapter always I feel it is a real physics. It is a really little bit challenging chapter also. Okay, so no problem. Still we have time. If you have doubt in the particular point, so that I can clarify, then we'll discuss one or two questions also. Yes, from your side. What is moment of inertia? Based on the formula, you can write point number 1. Okay, and a numerical, everything based on that formula. You take like a scalar quantity only. Okay, so the moment, simply nobody can say that calculate moment of inertia. No, they say calculate moment of inertia with respect to particular axis. Okay, accordingly you will do it. And then this wheel that I told. Then what is rotational inertia? Why it is called rotational inertia? Okay. So that's why I'm telling. No, sometimes you assume that suppose in our vehicle no brake is there. Brake is not there. How fast you are able to go? You tell me. In the vehicle, just yes. How much speed? Low speed. See, that's why, because we in our life also we need some opposition. Yes, this opposition is very much required in our life so that to make our life more smooth. Even our democratic system also, what? Which one is required? Democratic system.
Opposition.
Yes, opposition party also required. Without opposition party, the government cannot run smoothly. Because somebody is there to, yes, we have the speed breaker, we have the brake. Because we have the confidence, yes, I have the brake in my vehicle. That's why I can go with 100, 120 kilometer per hour. I can go because I know that, yes, some brake is there. Same thing here. Wherever you want to make smooth movement, some opposition must be required. So in rotational motion, that opposition is nothing but moment of inertia. Okay. So to make more moment of inertia, that is with the wheel only. In the wheel, the masses are distributed away from the axis of rotation. These are the concepts. Anything you want to ask, you can do that. Yes. Okay. I'm giving this question. Please you do it. Okay. Suppose just for the diagram I'm giving. Suppose you have the yes. A, B, C. Okay. Each mass you can take it M for your understanding. Side L. Now I want moment of inertia. Moment of inertia about AB. How much? Another one moment of inertia about what? BC. Third one moment of inertia about max is passing through the point O. Point O. Okay. Perpendicular to its plane. I think you are understanding. Say A, B, B, C, nobody will have the doubt. So what is this axis? This is the axis of rotation. The moment of inertia of an axis passing through the center of the triangle of the system. Okay. And perpendicular to its plane. It's not passing like that. Not here. So it is passing exactly perpendicular. Please find out. Third case. First two will not have much problem. See, basic mathematics you have to understand, no? Geometry, how much? Okay, yes. Find out. It is an equilateral triangle, no? So what is this angle? 60 degree will come. Okay. So if you are finding difficult with that this thing takes time, then I will go with this. You can make it like homework, no problem, because it may be taking time. Suppose I go with this method. Okay, no problem, no problem. We have still less time only. Yes, we will go. Let us go with this. Okay. At least you do this. Okay. Here, this is A, here B. Okay, this will better. So now A, B, C, D. So I want moment of inertia for the next question. I, A, D. I, A, C. I am not giving a, see if in the question paper what they do, they give some numerical value. Okay, you can put it, that's not a problem. But just for understanding the concept only. IAD equal to 2. Very good, that's all. Simple, direct. Because this portion is 0 because of these two masses. So only these two masses will contribute. That's why I'm telling. See, which axis I'm going to take, accordingly you will get moment of inertia. Because these two masses do not contribute any moment of inertia. Okay, but in translatory motion, not like that. This portion is not involved, this portion, no, total mass will be there. But here, even you have taken the total system, but all the part will not have any significance in the moment of inertia. That is very important. Yes, so first part is very clear. So 2mb square. Yes, this can be done. This can be done. Total again basic mathematics, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, all the things are coming. No problem, just because in exam they give numerical values, so easy to solve. Okay, but here I want to understand. You have to, yes, which one? AC. AC. So you want this one. You want this. Okay, no problem. But you are able to understand, no? It may be taking time, but otherwise you are able to understand how to do that. Because in the textbook you can see some numerical questions. Okay, so today we have done only the discrete. Okay, discrete mass, not continuous. If it is continuous, how to do that we'll do in the next class. Okay, for continuous body, how to find out. You are talking about IAC, no? Please repeat. एक मिनट, MA square plus M divided by 2. Please others also check it whether this is the answer. Anybody getting the same answer? I'm not going to tell which one is correct, but I want others also responding, because I want to. How many are doing that? Anybody giving the message? Already somebody responded. And that they say already responded. Okay. So which square? The previous one is responding. Okay, okay. Praveed, you have done something. No problem. Message is some. अच्छा, भूमिका में ना facing some noise problem. ठीक है. Sometimes technical problem भी है. Okay. Others are calculating.
Sir, same answer.
Okay, okay. Do it. Okay. So these are the answers. Check it. This question also you complete it. I am telling again, even bio students also, it is the basic mathematical formula we are using. So no need to be in your, see, it's a basic, it may be 9th or 10th level basic mathematics, trigonometry we are using, Pythagoras theorem, angle, trigonometric values, how to use it to find out the side. Okay, these are the complete basic mathematics, not from class 11th to 12th. Is it clear now? That's why wherever the numerical part and mathematical formula is there, you write separately. Even always I tell you in the physics notebook, last 2-3 pages for basic mathematical formula only. You write just to go through 1 or 2 times so that you remember and you can do it. Even sometimes 9th is 10th, what you read, we may not remember. No? Okay, that is very common. Again, once again, go through the basic formula. What is required? No, not mathematics in detail. Okay, so and then you can understand how to. That's why I left it here. How to do that? Okay, so cos theta, sine, whatever you want, you can do it. Moment of inertia calculation is simple because it is a scalar. How many masses are there? You take that, and what is the distance of that mass from the axis of rotation, and then you can do it. Okay. So once again, I am telling you, remember moment of inertia basic formula mr square. M mass of the each particle or distance of that particle from the axis of rotation. So you remember moment of inertia mr square over first point. Second point you take as a scalar quantity. Next, moment of inertia depends on what are the factors: mass of the body, distribution of mass, axis of rotation. Next, the moment of inertia is, what is the physical meaning? It is the rotational inertia. How the mass plays the role in the translative motion, the same role is played by moment of inertia in rotational motion. That's why the moment of inertia is known as rotational inertia. Again and again. Okay, once again go through it. So let us meet in the next class. Okay, please keep on doing well. We want that continuous. The studies should be continuous. Yes. Attendance we are taking. Okay, no problem. It is recorded. We are having that. Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.